Mayor Grover Robinson about some new restrictions that may be in place.
Discussions happening both internally at the city, discussions between the city and the county, discussions between city and county and health and our health community that's represented here with all of our hospitals and also our public health department. After much discussion about where we are in the community and where we need to be relative to the picking up of testing and what is happening with COVID cases across the state of Florida and really the United States, today I'm going to be announcing some things that are going to be happening in the city of Pensacola, restrictions that are going to be initiated to prevent the spread. These restrictions will go into place on 12:01 a.m. Monday, March 23rd. So we will proceed under the current circumstances through the remainder of the weekend, and beginning on Monday, March 23rd, we want all restaurants and everything to comply with what we are asking them to do in these orders. Also, these orders only apply to the city limits of Pensacola, and this order will be following that. I'm going to read directly from the order so you'll be able to see exactly what's on here. All restaurants, bars, taverns, pubs, nightclubs, banquet halls, cocktail lounges, cabarets, breweries, cafeterias, and any other alcohol and food service business establishment with seating of more than 8 people within the city limits shall be closed on-premises service of customers. Again, that means it's only for on-premises customers. Notwithstanding the foregoing, such establishments may operate their kitchens for the purposes of providing delivery services as authorized in paragraph 3 below. Employees, janitorial personnel, contractors, delivery personnel shall be allowed to access the establishments, and that's all. This order shall not apply to grocery stores, pharmacies, gas stations, and convenience stores except for those areas of the establishments that provide alcohol and food service. This order shall not apply to delivery services, pickup, takeout services provided for the establishments listed in 1 and 2. So we are asking all restaurants to begin to look at ways that they can become either a pickup or a delivery service. We still have considerable issues and concerns with food and what's happening, so they certainly continue to provide a vital part, but we do not believe that gathering in these and congregating in these areas can do anything but help the spread of COVID, so we are asking for this to happen. Also, the order shall not apply to ancillary services such as at the airport or hospitals or other services as designated. All movie theaters, concert houses, auditoriums, playhouses, bowling alleys, arcades, and entertainment venues shall close. Social visits to all nursing homes, assisted living facilities, adult family care homes, long-term family facilities, and adult group homes are suspended. Most of them already in the city of Pensacola have taken this action, but we felt it was important, again, to say that certainly those at-risk populations we don't think should be put any more at risk. Again, this order at this particular time is for 2 weeks, and it shall be effective at 12:01 a.m. Central Daylight Time on March 23rd, 2020. The order is enforceable by police, but certainly that is not something that we are looking to do. I talked with Chief Leiter earlier. He said we have always had very good compliance within the city of Pensacola, certainly within our bars and restaurants, and we're asking for their compliance. We're asking for compliance in all these other items. There was significant discussion, I can tell you, with our staff about where to go on some of these. None of this was an easy decision to make because we understand the financial impact this is going to have. But at the end of the day, we believe it's the right move to make for our health care, for those health care providers that are out there, and all those in the community to get us safely through this COVID containment period. We feel like this is what we should be doing. I can tell you, I'll come back and we'll talk about a few things on some of these other particulars, and I'm happy to answer any questions. But at this particular time, I'm going to call up Commissioner Lumen May, at least here as well. I know that these only apply to the city, but we certainly have been having discussions with Commissioner May. If there's anything he wishes to say, I can tell you none of this is easy, and we're working through this together and trying to do the right thing for our community.